Today, I'm going to save you $80 by showing you how to repair your tire. All you're going to need is the deluxe tire repair kit. You're going to want some soap or multi-purpose spray or Windex, something that's going to bubble up when you spray it over a hole in a tire. The Toro Timecutter 60-inch, I put it to the ringer. I actually broke the blade, so I'll have another video on that. But while going through our yard, somehow I guess I picked up a nail or something. I didn't want to have to buy a whole new tire or rim, so I spent $5 on my deluxe tire kit. Hopefully it's something as easy as a plug. This is a Toro Timecutter 60-inch front wheel, and it is tubeless, so it's going to go with the radial and steel tire kit. If you have an inner tube, it's going to be a different process. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is add some air to your tire, which I do have air in here now, and I'm going to be spraying around the edges here to see where. Let's go with a little more misty if possible. There we go. See, oh, so you can see right here. See how the bubbles form right on that edge? So that's my problem. So I have this little hole here. I'm gonna spray it. You see the bubbles form. What you're gonna do is take your kit, take the one that has the spindles around it, and you are going to jam it in there. Well, hard to get in this one. So I know it looks like I'm just making a bigger hole and a bigger problem, but what I'm doing is I'm making the inner, clean edges a little more frayed so that when I put in the rubber sealant, then it's going to be able to adhere to the side walls a lot easier and make a better fit. Just go on a few times, good to go there. So this comes with the rubber plug. You just pull this off. Take your other piece that has the hole through it, squeeze it through there. You want this evenly spread, so it's on both sides, all right? And then this kit comes with the rubber cement glue for an extra tight seal. So I'm gonna generously put that all over this guy. Oh, a little bit too much, I guess. Never too much with the sealant, right? Ooh, that's stinky. Now I'm gonna find my hole, find this plug, put it in. Come on, get in there. And then I have that in there about 3/4 of the way. That was tough. And now I'm gonna swiftly pull it out so that I keep it in there safely. Ready? All right, so now we have the excess piece here. You can see the glue and everything formed. It's a very tight seal. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave this for a little bit. I'm gonna then cut off the excess once it's dried and fill it up and see how we did. And now we're ready to go. Our tire's inflated to 28 PSI. We have no more leaks, and we're gonna install it back on our Toro Timecutter 60-inch. So now we're gonna be putting the tire back on our zero turn. And for this, all you're gonna need is 2 socket wrenches that are 19 millimeters each for your Toro Timecutter 60-inch. If there's a different model, then that's gonna vary. Put this in there, on this side, on that side, keep it in. Now, put this through here, let it hang for a second. Having your buddy or fiance as an extra hand might help a little bit. We can get it done by ourselves, not a problem. So in the Toro's case, 219s. Good to go. Let her spin, baby. So that's one problem taken care of. If you enjoyed this content and found it useful, please like and subscribe as it helps our channel. Welcome to Split Arrow. Have a great day.